This is a full GoHighLevel website pop-up tutorial. I'm showing you exactly how to build it, connect a form, set up automations, and configure the pop-up settings for your website. Think of a pop-up like your website's front desk. It greets every visitor, captures the information, and instantly gets them inside our system. But most people treat pop-ups like annoying ads, not knowing that it's a powerful lead machine. In this tutorial, we'll build one that actually works and does the follow-up for you. So let's get right into it. Okay, so let's get right into the website. So here's my website that you can get for free with my snapshots. If you use the first link in the description, get a 30-day free trial with GoHighLevel, plus all these benefits here. So one-on-one support with me. I'm not a big channel, so you can't speak to me one-on-one. Snapshots, sales scripts, blah, 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 everything there. You want to be smart with your pop-up. So you want it to be value. Why would they put information in for no reason? So I have it. So if they want to watch the demo, it opens. So I've got a button, watch demo. Watch exactly what we can do, but this is linked to open pop-up because for them to extract the value of watching the demo, I want them to open a pop-up, a form fills out, they have to put the information in that form, and then once they submit that form, it takes them to watch demo. So if you look at my demo page, it's quite valuable. So it just is like a video of what GoHighLevel can do. So if you have this snapshot of the website, you get for free, so it's pretty cool. So this button, like we said, it opens pop-up. So let's go to pop-up settings here. So nothing's here. So let's add, we need to create a form first. So let's go add the form, but I guess we can at the moment just say here, complete form to continue. Complete form to continue. So now let's create our form. So let's go duplicate. Let's add this form in. So sites, forms, the builder. Let's go to add form, start from scratch. Okay, let's name this website form. Remember, we're going to have to jump in automations after this as well, so we can get rid of this. So first name, last name, phone. That's pretty much what I want. So let's make this all required. So I just want the first name, last name, email. Cool. If I want anything extra that's not in these quick adds, you can do a custom field. Add the custom field, whatever it is. So you want a multi-line, whatever. Then come here, and then you can just add in whatever you want. But for this example, this is all the information I want. I want this to be, let's do like that. But we want to change this. I want that to be in the center too. Submit. I don't want it to say submit. I want to say watch demo. Cool. And then colors, we want this to be like an orangey kind of. Now what we can do is let's go to the website. Let's go back to pop-up. So right here, now let's add our form in. So let's go here, add the form in. So we named it website form, didn't we? Yep, website form. So here it is. Here's the website form. So that's cool. So now redirect. So what do we want to happen once they press watch demo? So let's go to website URLs. Now we need the website URL. So now let's go back to the sites. Let's get the URL for the demo website. So let's go here. Let's go, where's the demo? So you'll get access to all these pages as well for free. Pretty cool. Let's go here. Copy this in. And here. Paste it. So when we press watch demo, it takes you to that page, but we're also capturing the information, which is super, super cool. So let's go here. Let's press publish. Now we need to run automations so we can, because if someone wants to watch the demo, they're obviously interested. So we can have like a schedule so we can email them and then 3 days later, email them, try push them to book on a call with me. So let's do that. Let's go to automation. This is obviously going to be the pop-up form. Here we're going to do form submitted, add filters, form is going to be the website form, and yep, save. So whenever the website form is now sent, we also have the information. It saves whatever information they put in and stores it in its memory. So let's tell ourselves, be sure to have the lead connector mobile app. So what we can do is on the notification, what this is that with a lead connector mobile app, which is basically GoHighLevel, this computer version in an app called Lead Connector. So if you don't have it, download it and put the same credentials, log in with the same credentials as your laptop version. So we can go contact, first name, so John, filled out pop up form. So they're obviously interested, so I just want to know that someone's done it. And particular user, let's select me and save. Let's just put here, look at them. So I just want to know someone's filled it out. Okay. So now the cool part is let's do one SMS and say, hey. So I'll just say, hey, so you filled out the form. I'd love to show you around the software and all the areas we can help on a quick Zoom call. How does that sound? Okay, so save action, but we don't want to do this immediately after they submit the form. So we want to wait at least wait 5 minutes for them to watch the video. So let's wait like 5 minutes. Then, so put here, wait 5 minutes. So yep, wait 5 minutes, then SMS them. Or you could be fancy and send them another form of all their business stuff and say, I fill this out, blah blah blah. I'll build a custom software for your business because you have their business name, blah blah blah, and then jump on a Zoom call about their literal business. Cool. So now we can wait again. So let's wait one day later, and we can send an email. And all we're doing is trying to push for this Zoom call. So you want to get your calendar link, put it in here. So from so you could put our calendar link, you just paste it in here, but I should have it here. Meeting location, cool. Press save. Okay, so thanks for another form. We could say even yesterday. And then we can, this is obviously waiting 1 day, and then obviously we can wait again and just keep repeating the process until you jump on a Zoom call with them. So once they jump on the call with you, you can obviously take them out of this automation. Press publish and press save. Okay. So let me show you how this would work in real time. So let me go onto the website. I'll have my phone here for the pop-up I can show you. So let's click watch demo. This form comes up. So I've just pressed watch demo and we can watch it, but I should get notified. Oh, as you can see there, I got a notification on my phone. Filled the pop-up form right there. Just got the notification pop up on my phone and it pinged. And obviously, in 2 minutes, I'll get an SMS. On the builder, it should be one person waiting, wait 5 minutes, then I get an SMS, blah, blah, blah. But I'm going to take myself out of this because I don't need it. So do you see how powerful pop-ups can be? You can extract the information, they're stored inside the system, you can automate, get them to book on, obviously have value but first. Why would they fill it out if there's no value? And if you want one-on-one support with me, plus all one-on-one support with me, all my snapshots, everything, all these benefits here. If you use the first link description or wherever the link is, get 30-day free trial. And if you've already got an account, just message me, get in contact, email me, and I can get you transferred over with a new, fresh 30-day free trial, plus all the benefits. And yeah, please like the video, helps me out.